Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's JovieKay here, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching how to draft, cut and sew a trumpet/bell sleeve. You can decide to make it exaggerated or big like this one on your screen, or you can keep it simple like this one. I will be showing you how to achieve all of this in this video, so if you are interested, keep watching. Okay guys, for this trumpet sleeve, you will be needing 2 yards or more fabric, depending on how full you want it to be. I started off by drafting a basic sleeve pattern. We need it because we are going to be slashing this pattern to achieve this trumpet sleeve. I made a video on how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. If you don't know how we drafted this basic sleeve pattern, click on the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen, or later you check the description box or the comment section because I will be attaching the video. So get your basic sleeve pattern and spread it like so. Use your tape rule and mark out the center. After marking it out, you rule a straight line. After ruling a straight line to mark out the center, you get your tape rule and then start marking out either 1.5 inches or 2 inches. Just make sure you divide them equally. Here I'm trying to mark it out both center up and the down parts before I connect the lines together. So after marking it out, I used my ruler to connect everything together like so. Do not forget to make sure that they are equal. After ruling the line, you go ahead and cut it, but make sure you don't cut everything. Do not cut it to the end. Slash it the way I am slashing it in this video. And after that, you get your fabric, place it on your fabric like so. Place it and arrange it well before you start spreading it. After spreading it, you get your chalk and tape rule and then start marking out 2 inches or 3 inches or more, depending on how exaggerated you want your trumpet sleeve to be. So for this picture on your screen, that is the one I used for this tutorial, I gave 2 inches gap for it. But if you want it exaggerated like the one on your screen, you can decide to give 3 or 4 inches gap depending on what you want. So after giving the 2 inches gap like so, make sure it doesn't shift. If you can pin it down, you pin it down, and then use your chalk to start tracing everything on the fabric. Trace it all round, just the way I am doing it in the video. After tracing and marking out with your chalk, you can then go ahead and start cutting. After cutting it, you can then remove the pattern paper that you've slashed. Then to cut the second sleeve, arrange the remaining fabric and then use the one that we just cut to trace the second one. This is me on the video trying to arrange and place it well so that I can cut out the second one with it. So after placing it very well, go ahead and also cut out the second sleeve like so. Cut it carefully and make sure the 2 of them are the same and equal. So next is to take it to your sewing machine and hem the edge. After hemming it, you can go ahead and shape the sleeve before attaching it to your dress or your top. In case you want to add a lining to yours, you can go ahead, use the sleeve that we just cut to trace out a lining for it. After tracing it out, then use it to turn the sleeve before attaching it to your dress. Or if you wish to add a soft gum stay to yours, you can go ahead and iron it down to your lining before using it to turn out the trumpet sleeve, depending on what you want. But for the one I used for this tutorial, I didn't add anything to it. So as you can see in the video, I went ahead to hem the edge of the fabric like so. After hemming it, this is what it looks like. Please make sure that yours is as neat as mine. So after the hemming, the next is to shaping it. And as you can see in the video, this place my index finger is pointing is the next place to stitch. So guys, I've taken it to my sewing machine and this is me sewing through. Sew it all through to the armhole side. So guys, I'm done stitching there and this is what it looks like. So next is to turn it and then fix it to either your dress or your top. So I've turned it and our trumpet sleeve is already given. So next is to join the sleeve to the top, and as you can see in the video, that is what I am doing. I am sewing the sleeve to the top. As you can see, it's very easy to make, guys. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, drop a nice comment, and share this video with your friends. For the well-detailed video on how I made this crop top, click on the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen, or you can check the description box or the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe and on the notification bell, because next week I will be posting the video on how to make the dress on your screen. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.